As a result of hostage-taking in prison number 19 in the Russian Volgograd region, 4 employees of the prison were killed. According to the Federal Penitentiary Service, the criminals were 4. They took 8 employees of the prison and 4 prisoners hostage. 4 employees were immediately stabbed, 3 of them died. Another 4 resisted and were hospitalized. 1 of them died in hospital. In addition, 4 prisoners were injured. According to official reports, the attackers were eliminated, and the staff involved in the assault were not injured. Putin was informed about the seizure of the prison in Volgograd. They were obviously in a hurry with the video. He didn't have time to take off his watch. Had to improvise.
Уважаемые коллеги, добрый день. Здравствуйте. Начальник ФСИН доложил мне ситуацию, которая складывается в одном из мест лишения свободы в Волгоградской области. Хотел бы в этой связи послушать соображения и оценки министра внутренних дел, директора ФСБ. Виктор Васильевич Золотов будет у меня сейчас доложить свои оценки. А затем рассмотрим плановый вопрос, подготовленный Владимиром Александровичем Колокольцевым. Давайте начнем работать. И с Колокольцева и начнем, с министром внутренних дел Владимиром Александровичем, по оценке ситуации в Волгограде. Пожалуйста.
Ukraine is continuing to successfully use terrain to advance in Kursk oblast, 3 weeks into the operation. A number of Russian troops are now cut off by Ukraine's target attacks on key bridges in Kursk oblast. They are at risk of becoming prisoners of war if they cannot be evacuated soon, experts have told the Kyiv Independent. The loss of the crossings across the Seym River presents a serious challenge to Russian troops stationed in the Glushkovsky district, who are lodged between the river to the north, Ukraine's Sumy Oblast to the west and south, and Ukrainian-held territories in Kursk Oblast to the east. Russians forced to the south of the river need supplies to fight. Phillips P. O'Brien, professor of strategic studies at the University of St. Andrews in Scotland, told the Kyiv Independent, "Without those supplies, they will either have to be evacuated to the north bank of the river, or they will become combat ineffective. They could even end up as Ukrainian prisoners," he added. Ukrainian forces have hit 3 key stationary bridges across the Seym River in the Glushkovsky district of Russia's Kursk Oblast, hindering Russia's ability to resupply troops defending a nearly surrounded area on Ukraine's border. Russian forces began setting up pontoon crossings across the river in the wake of Ukrainian attacks against the stationary bridges, but they quickly became targets for Ukrainian airstrikes. The Special Operation Forces of Ukraine confirmed that they are successfully striking engineering equipment, bridges, and pontoon crossings in the area. One of at least 2 pontoon crossings across the Seym River disappeared from the satellite images, and smoke was also detected in the area. Another pontoon bridge, built east of Glushkovo, was still visible as of August 19th. But whether this remaining crossing is sufficient to evacuate Russian troops, or if they will be able to build more in the area, is unclear. Ukrainian servicemen in the Kursk region propose a toast to the restoration of Ukraine's original territories. The Minerva battery is delivering precise strikes on a Russian D-30 howitzer hidden in the bushes. This might possibly be Russian 56th Guards Air Assault Regiment on their way to reinforce the Kursk direction. Russians discovered a Ukrainian munition drop drone camouflaged as a log.
Так, товарищи бойцы, новые сбросы в виде полена. Чтобы вы понимали, только что пытались ее обезвредить. Вещь интересная. Посвети, пошел здесь. Заглушки сделаны. Все как положено. Снова здрасте. На ней вот такой элемент. Сброс. Это был сброс. Сейчас даже до сих пор не могу понять, обезврежен или нет. Сейчас попробуем еще раз обезвредить.
The fire from the Prolatarsk oil depot in the Rostov region spread to the city, report Russian media. A whole street with houses is on fire. It is reported that already 6 houses have burned down. The depot is burning for the 6th day now. And more from the Russian circus. Kadyrov's 16-year-old son, Adam, was provided with gold machine guns to shoot from. And for the end, video released by the Kursk Houthis seems to show the setting of explosive charges on the deck of the tanker Sunyan off the coast of Yemen in the Red Sea. At 150,000 tons, this tanker is almost twice the size of Exxon Valdez, and the environmental damage to the region will be massive.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.